Hey there everyone, today we're learning a front style trick, whip to throw. First we're going to start off with a nice hard throw in the front style. We're going to have a non-throw hand pointer finger act as the elevator, and if you know the trick split the atom or anything from the split bottom mount, it's basically what we're getting into here, but instead of our throw hand pointer finger, we're going to use the back of our throw hand. Now, it doesn't matter if you land in the split bottom mount on both or on none, as I demonstrate here from both angles, because what's going to happen is you're going to see as it comes over your throw hand, the backside of your throw hand, you are going to release your non-throw hand pointer finger and grab, as shown here, with your throw hand, which will create the slack. We'll show it from a few angles. Also, worth noting that we'll be using the momentum from the yo-yo coming over our throw hand to carry that slack forward from our chest to away from our body, like this. We're then going to insert our non-throw hand and land that slack on the back of it. Here's it from another angle, showing you the momentum. And then adding in our non-throw hand for the slack to land on. Now, once the slack lands there, we are going to toss the slack back toward our chest, like so. And from our chest, our wrist will be down toward the ground, and we'll have it up toward the sky to get that whip on top of our shoulder, like that. So fluid motion, same whip, just moving our throw hand wrist, and from the whip on our shoulder, down into an iron whip or jade whip or plastic whip motion, into the yo-yo. Here's the trick smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed.